Hi, it's Eric with the Details. I'm back making videos. It's been about a year. I'm now in Hawaii, so we got the beautiful sunshine, no longer in Jacksonville, Florida. Had a customer ask me for deep cleaning of a seat, and you can kind of see with this seat here, it's got the water spots, it's got some soiling on it. We're going to clean this up, try to make it look like that seat over there that I just finished. You can see it's a pretty good difference. So I'll go through the process, what I do to make these seats look that way. I'm going to start out with just some stain remover. This is normal Folex. I like to wet the seat down. And then I have a mixture of Folex and deionized water, 4-to-1. This is a Tornador Black. Got the seat all beat up with Tornador. Like to hit that with a little steam. This will really get down in the seat, get those stains worked up. I like to make what's like a nice slurry on the top. It's just all the dirty stuff suspended in a liquid that I can then suck up with my hot water extractor. And you can see right there that the stuff is still in the seat, but it does look a whole lot better just that it's all mixed up and it's suspended, hopefully, to where I can just suck it up now. You really see that stuff coming up there. Line. Definitely see the difference there between the two. As you can see, a pretty big difference from what we started with. You might be able to see here that I'm going to have to do the back of this seat, obviously, but it looked worse than this. Once this dries, I'll probably have to touch it up a little bit with some steam. But if you'd like to have your seats clean like this, give me a call. I'm now stationed in Ebla Beach, Hawaii. Hope to hear from you. Thank you. Sarah.